to question 2. And what I'm going to do here is to create a new section that's 2 percentage signs. That'll create a new session, and that's indicated by this blue line over here. And then do I. So let's just go and copy the question from I. Where are you? Right, copy to C, copy. Alright, so we have I over here. And the question is asked us to solve the system of linear equation AX equals B, where A is equal to this matrix over here and B is equal to that. So to do this, basically we need to solve this equation, right? Let's see this. Okay, so in order to find x, we've been given a, we've been given b. So in order to find x, we need to divide both sides by a, right? So x is equal to b divided by, sorry, divided by a. But then the thing in matrices is that you cannot use the usual divided by sign that we have. It won't work. So you let's just experiment so that you see that in real time. Um, First of all, let's define our matrices A, right? A is equal to, in fact, let's just copy this instead of wasting time. We'll see what matrix B. So that will be A, matrix A. And we can also copy matrix B over matrix C control B, and that will be matrix A and B. So now when we try to solve for x and we decide to, in fact, let me just copy that also over to C, control V, and we go ahead and run that, it's going to give us an error, right? Let's see. So let's go to the command window and this is what MATLAB is telling us. They say error using this backslash matrix dimensions must agree. So what we can do around this is to use the forward slash rather, right? So let's just clear this. And the thing about using sessions is that you can run, oh sorry, I ran the whole thing, but the thing about using sessions is that I can just run this particular section without running the first one. So let's go back, use the forward slash, but then when you are using the forward slash, you reverse the order of what's what I call it, this thing. So that's my forward slash. Oh, my keyboard layout is a bit different. I have the backslash over here. Hold on a minute. Copy that from different PC over here. And I just oh okay, so it's over here. So there's the forward slash. And what this basically means is the same thing over here. This like a mathematical representation of it, but then in MATLAB, this is how you actually go about it. Okay, so now when we run our code, let's run this session, right? So that it doesn't run the entire code, but just this section of the code. And then after running, we go back to the command window and it gives us the values for x. So that's just about it for that question. It's as simple as that. And just like I mentioned in the previous video, if you want any help, right, You can type help and then search for the function, or you can go to this function thing over here. Just tap on it, click on it, and then type matrices, right? And then it will spill off everything that has to do with matrices, right? So here we have lowered polynomial, blah 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 symbol, and a lot of things. It will give you all the functions that have to do with matrices. Then you just tap on them. Let me see what I'll find a similar one. One that so it will give you a lot of things that you can explore and then try to, just in case you get confused along the way. But that's it for question two. The next one will be solved in the next video.